Chilliz sort of is a low-positioned coin with the ticker CHZ that sort of has a truly present worth of $0.0632229 and a market capitalization of $478,332,117. Digital currencies generally have fundamentally lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which for the most part is very critical. These days, it's a resource class that by and large is significantly managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate in a very significant manner. Some fundamentally huge venture banks even in a real sense gain Chilliz and extremely other cryptographic forms of money all at once to basically safeguard their resources under administration against a running expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the right time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and sort of long-haul forecast of the improvements on the CHZ market that for the most part depend on the readings of our by and large exceptional crypto unpredictability file that generally assists us with checking the market feeling and really expect where in which the market means to go in an especially huge manner explicitly. At this point, the cost of Chilliz for the most part is $0.0632229, while the coin presently winds up at 63rd spot in the general kind of positioning in an unpretentious manner. The said exceptionally positioning really is assessed based on the resource's fundamentally present value that most certainly is duplicated by its in every practical sense current market capitalization, a recipe that in a real sense is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a sort of significant manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients generally get the most important information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. It's likewise vital to especially consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading, which sort of is very critical. On October 26, the cost of Chilliz sort of was at $0.066033 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change really added up to 3.77% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on October 20, CHZ explicitly was esteemed at $0.055904, which especially intends that from that point forward, the cost in every practical sense has basically varied by 0%, or so they really thought. A month prior, on September 27, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.057630. Hence, the coin by and large has taken a 9.72% action to arrive at its current standings especially. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Chilliz isn't the main essentially factor that we truly consider while making the cost forecast in a kind of enormous manner. It means quite a bit to sort of keep in every way that really matters, sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to by and large, have an especially clear perspective on where the market basically is going. The examination of market capitalization in a real sense conveys genuinely equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors, which basically is genuinely critical. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology basically is utilized to especially decide the genuinely generally position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, or so they truly thought. Changes in market capitalization essentially sure or especially negative by and large are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could truly be going, as well as the resource's sort of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and sort of long-haul points of view, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This kind of specific essentially metric generally is likewise used to check the predominance of Chilliz, comparable to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. To truly decide the truly current market capitalization of CHZ, we in a real sense duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will really be certainly made sense of later by the fundamentally present worth of the digital money under survey, which all things considered is very huge. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz fundamentally remains at $478,332,117, which shapes the reason for extremely present positioning basically was referenced before, or so the for the most part thought. Yesterday, on October 26, CHZ for the most part had a market capitalization of $499,548,015, which is very critical. Keep going week. On October 20th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to truly was recorded at $419,172,127 versus the most certainly thought. A month prior, on September 27th, the market worth of Chilliz essentially was surveyed to for the most part be $430,270,123. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that fundamentally have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining, exhibiting how some sort of huge speculation banks even basically secure Chilliz and really other digital currencies all at once to in every practical sense. Safeguard their resources under administration, against a running expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors, which in every practical sense is very critical. These digital currencies can fundamentally be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in a really significant manner. This especially metric likewise considers the coins that basically have been eliminated through the interaction called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. At this point, the especially complete stockpile of Chilliz in a real sense is laid out at 888 CHZ in an unobtrusive manner. Finally, the circling supply in a real sense is utilized to in a real sense compute the market capitalization and in a real sense survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions, exhibiting that a month prior, on September 27th, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.057630. In this way, the coin in a real sense has taken a 9.72% action to in every way that really matters. Arrive at its truly present standings in a very enormous manner. It means the general measure of CHZ that basically is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that sort of are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly generally put unavailable for general use out of the blue, which in every practical sense is very critical. It's by and large basically accepted that digital currencies that certainly have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million sort of are the most appropriate for certainly long-haul speculation, since they really are generally prone to generally see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in a genuinely significant manner. At this point, Chilliz in a real sense has a circling supply of 7,565,079,839 coins in a for the most part huge manner. Over the for the most part beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with CHZ arrived at the mark of $109,710,517 in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on October 26th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame sort of remained at $66,208,482 in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on October 20th, how much CHZ that for the most part was traded between market members was assessed at $29,040,769, which is genuinely huge. Presently sort of comes an opportunity to essentially make sense of exhaustively the substance of the crypto unpredictability list, CVIX, since it's a focal point